Hey guys, what's up? It's Samantha. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I make my iced coffee at home. It's literally 3 ingredients. I was about to do 6, but it's just 3 ingredients. Actually, it's 4 if you want to count ice, but you get the point. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below any other video ideas you guys want to see. And I said that really fast, wow. And don't forget to subscribe, and let's just get into it. Okay guys, so I just started off by getting a mason jar, and I filled it up with a little bit of ice. I don't like a lot of ice in my iced coffee. That might be weird, but I just don't want it to get watery too fast. So yeah, next you're gonna need a syrup, and I buy the brand Torani. So I've been using this vanilla one, and then this one says it's sugar free, and I believe this one has sugar in it, but I honestly don't care. It doesn't matter to me, honestly. So I also picked up this salted caramel one. Never tried this before. I've only been using these 2 vanillas. I'm gonna start by doing like a pump and a half for this one, because I want to try the caramel one. Also, this little pump does not come with these. I think the bigger ones do, but the mini ones don't. As you can see, it comes with this little, to me, like, that just pours out way too fast. So I had these in my basement because I think we got them from Restaurant Depot, I think. And then they were super long. We just cut it, as you can see. Hold up, I don't want this to drip. But yeah, we just cut it so that it fits into the bottle, so I have my own little pump. Next, you're gonna take your coffee, and I use the medium roast unsweetened. You can get this at Target. So I'm only gonna use like this much. So I'm gonna fill up the glass up like that high. I never measure this stuff, it's always an eyeball. So it might taste a little different the next day, but it's like the same thing, you know. And then I'm gonna take my half and half. You can use any half and half. I swear, when we buy half and half, it's a different brand every single time. And then I'm just gonna pour like right there, and then you're just going to mix it. And let's just give this a try. That is delicious. Again, if you don't like a lot of like half and half, or you want more of this, you can make it how you want. You want more pumps of syrup, you can do that. That's just how I make my iced coffee. Literally, it's so easy, guys. This video is gonna be like super short. But if I'm just chilling at home, I would just use like this glass. But if I'm on the go, I would use a to-go cup. Just, you know, you guys get the idea. So that was all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys try this at home. It's so easy. Literally, it's gonna like save you a lot more money than just going to Dunkin', Starbucks, wherever, the gas station, all of that. So yeah, please give this video a thumbs up if it helped you, if you're gonna try it out, whatever. Let me know any other videos you guys want to see. Why do I keep doing this? I don't know, because I'm awkward. Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Got me up all night, yeah. All I'm singing is love songs. She got me up all night, yeah.